Hi guys, hi everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. Today is Friday. I think let me just mute that for a second because I'm busy watching. That's the live I'm watching. I just saw a live, so I just want to turn down the volume for 1 second while I do this intro. So as I was still saying, I'm busy watching that live. I was actually watching on my phone because I was busy cleaning my fridge, as you guys saw, cleaning my fridge, and then I just stopped for a second and then I quickly checked out on my phone, and then the live obviously popped up because if you subscribe to someone's channel, you're gonna see the notification that someone is live, and so I saw Mhlengi and Auskoni. I see they are both live. They have a live going on, so I was busy watching that live. But anyway, let me just quickly, I just want to quickly intro this vlog, so let's try again. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sio's Lifestyle. My name is Sionela Magula. You guys are welcome to call me Sio for short. Yeah, this is my YouTube channel. This is, I think, episode 7 of Vlogmas. I'm gonna update you if it's gonna be the last episode of Vlogmas, but even if it is the last one, the vlogging continues because I normally do vlogs on this channel and sit down videos every now and then. So yeah, so as I was saying, I was busy cleaning my fridge, so I'm done cleaning and I just mopped now. So I'm just gonna pack now. Pack up again. You would have seen the things that I removed out of the fridge, like the shelves and all of that. They're clean, they're washed, so I'm gonna pack those up. As I listen to the live, I'm going to increase the volume because I want to listen to the live. Yeah, so maybe we can just pack that together, just finish that up, and then we'll catch up some other time while I listen and watch at the same time. Catch up some other time. Hey guys, so we're back home. I think you guys would have seen earlier. So after when I finished work 5 o'clock. I decided to just clean the fridge. I cleaned the fridge like because in the morning we what do you call it? We defrosted it, removed the plug and just switched it off so that the ice can melt. So as soon as I finished work, I cleaned the fridge. I started from the top and I went down, and then after that I did a bit of organizing or putting back the things with you guys. Yeah. So now we just came back from, so after cleaning the fridge, and then we decided to go to, I think it's Eastern Bazaar in town. You guys would have seen a bit of footage from there. So we got biryani and a pizza, which we're gonna dish up now, and we're gonna have. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys, but I'm just more, I was craving the pizza. Let me just quickly wash my hands and then. So I just wanna dish up. I've just washed my hands. I think we're basically pizza. That's what I want. Guys, this is how the pizza look. I think you guys, this is lamb minced pizza. This for me, I like the lamb minced pizza a lot. For me, I feel like this tastes better than, I don't know, or deponés and it's still warm. It's still warm, and the cheese, I'm gonna take just 2 slices. I'm also gonna put pizza for Issa because my tofu pizza. Mela said she wants pizza. Just wipe this bit. Just want to wipe this a bit, guys. And I'm gonna warm it up a bit. It's still warm, but it's still warm. I don't think it needs to be warmed. I'll put 2 slices each for now. If anyone wants more than welcome. And then this is the biryani. And guys, they are very generous with their portion. So this is the biryani. It comes with like chicken pieces and stuff. So that is the, guys, I'm gonna eat now. I'm gonna eat. Good morning, guys. Morning. It's a Saturday morning. The next day of this vlog. So I was live this morning. I think the time now is like around about 22 minutes past 9 in the morning. I was live from just before 6 until just about now. I had a 3-hour live, just cleaning and chit-chatting, nothing much. And guys, I noticed as soon as I ended the live, I'm on 100 subscribers, or I gained the 100th subscriber on that live. Thank you so much, guys, for the support. I thank each and every one of you. I don't take you for granted. Ndiyabonga for the new subscribers. Thank you for the old subbies. Thank you for everyone who watches my vlogs, my videos, my live, everyone who comments, who engage, who likes. Ndiyabulela, guys. Nyan umntu ngumntu ngabantu. I don't take that for granted. Yeah, guys, I appreciate her so much, and God bless each and every one of you for me. So today I cleaned, I just need to finish up, but I just wanted to just quickly give an update because I'm vlogging as well. So today we are planning on just doing a bit of amendments to our kitchen. Nothing drastic. We just want to add a bit of storage or some extra cabinets. I just want to show you that now and update you. My daughter and I were actually busy moving some of the things that were on top of the cupboards to allow for the work that's gonna happen. So yeah, so David this morning went to collect the guy who's gonna assist. So they're gonna be busy with that project. They're gonna work on that. Bobabini. So they took your measurements. They came this morning. They took the measurements early in the morning. So now, while they are gone now to get the cupboards. That they're gonna go cut the cupboards using the measurements, and the plan is to then have the cupboards cut at that factory or the warehouse. I hope that it's all gonna be possible to do it today because it's a Saturday. But I hope so. So using ISO measurements, ingati into that you just do and then upatale and then it should work. But even if it's not possible today or whatever happens, it is an update and then where we are with the project. But yeah, so they went there now. So now me and my daughter just removed the things that were on top. I'm still cooking my porridge there, which I started cooking on the live. So yeah, I just want to show you and yeah, so that is our bona. Yeah, you guys should know by Belinjani Kichilam, but I'll probably insert a clip as well. I'll send in Boni's the final product by Yongini's of Manjan. I hope Yongido will be fine, or yeah, we just want extra cabinets. So I just want to show you how it's looking now. As you can see, guys, apologies for the noise, go busy. As you can see, now they actually removed, there was a board going across, they removed that. So this is how the kitchen is looking. My daughter and I have removed the things that were there, like our air fryers. We've removed the air fryers, everything that was on top. It's just that pot, and the stove is still on because I'm still cooking there. We have a few dishes there. I'm probably going to have to pack that up as well. But the things in the cupboards we didn't remove. So, and then all the other things are seated there for now. Just to allow for just to allow it for the work that's gonna be done. So kunje for now, so you can see there even the tandondon was removed. So guys, how it's gonna turn out. I'm gonna update you. If it's all gonna be done in this vlog, you will know in this vlog, because by the time they will finish today, but andazi, like I'm saying, it's a Saturday. Yeah. As I was still saying, guys, I'm not sure if everything is gonna be done today, you know. We are planning on adding some cabinets on top. We are planning on adding on the sides a bit, just for extra storage, because right now my things, my plates, you know, it's just too much inside these cabinets. It's not a lot. And then on the bottom ones, on the right side, we put our grocery stuff because we don't even have like a pantry. But it's fine because I mean we're only 3 here. Then on the other side we put like the cleaning stuff, which has been fine. So, but it's just some extra storage and stuff. So yeah, I will update you. If I'll give you maybe progress or update towards the end of the day. If it's done today, you'll see today. If it's done next week, you'll see on whatever vlog the final product or the final look. But I hope they're going to do a good job. But this is our bona. We are not in a hurry, bit by bit, as long as they've taken the measurements and then bazal qalis. But I just want a bath. And I'm gonna eat my porridge as well. But yeah, check up on you guys later on. Cool. We'll update you later. Hey guys, as you probably would have seen in the previous clip, so the work is still under construction. So I'm just gonna go with my daughter. We're gonna go to Builders. We need like 1 or 2 things. I know David said also they need andazi hinges and whatnot for their project, but I don't know, maybe they'll get that tomorrow because we're busy and definitely not going to finish today because they're still busy cutting. Because like Kambani said, if Baba Katela, then we're only going to get the boards in Jan. So they opted to they must just buy the boards and come do the cutting here at home, as you would have seen. So they're busy with that. So we're just stepping out. We're going to take you guys with us. Yeah. Just come along and join us. Let us go. We're going to Builders. Oh, bye, baka indo aba. Oh, bye, baka indo ngekhoya. I'm telling you. Put my seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on, Essie. Forgot now. Hi guys, so it's still the same day. Now it's after 6. Let me just check. It's 20 past 6, same day. Came back from Builders. You guys probably saw what I got. I didn't get a lot of things. I got the pot plant thing. Nesixuko sakhona. You guys probably would have seen that. I needed to repot one of our plants because it has outgrown the small pot, so I did that earlier on with you guys. And then I also got, what do you call, is it a bakla guards for our front door. Currently we don't have, but it's safe here. But it's just something I want to add just for us. Most of the units don't have the bakla guards because it was so safe in this complex, but okay, it's just something I've been wanting to do since we moved. So yeah, that's what we got. And obviously it's going to be something that that we're gonna put I don't know when, probably next week we're gonna see. But as of now, they're still busy with the work. So they got the boards. I think I did show a clip. They got the boards. They've been busy cutting the whole day, cutting. And also I think it took some time to get the boards, and then also to get, what do you call this, like the equipment that's needed, because we needed to get extra equipment. Even when I went to Builders, I went to get extra nails for the cabinets. Yeah, one of those things in J that I needed and all of that. But I think now we got most of the things we need. Maybe there could be one or two things short, but I think we should be covered in terms of what is needed. So they're still busy putting together the boards. So yeah, so you probably get an update sometime, I don't know, next week on a vlog that I'm going to release as to how the kitchen or how the project is going. But I'm happy with Tumna. Like, there's no rush as long as it's gonna get done. And yeah, so that's on that. So now when I came back from Builders, then after after reporting the plant, I then quickly had a bath. Had a nice bubble bath because I was feeling so sweaty, guys. It's so hot. And then I decided to just go and cook. You know, my feet are on fire, guys. I've been standing from 5:30. I woke up at 5:30 today. I know it's a Saturday, but I woke up at 5:30 because, you know, David woke up because Naim was, as I'm saying, he's been busy the whole day. So when he woke up, I woke up and then just started my day from the live I actually had and up until now. So I decided after bathing, let me just push out, but okay, let me go cook something. So I cooked, I've dished up for everybody. I hope now they're gonna wrap up the working, hopefully continue during the week, or I don't know, it's up to them, Baba Zainz and Jani. But there's no rush. And the good thing is that as much as I've cleaned out on top of the cabinets and the stuff is still sitting there by the dining area, the good thing is that everything else is on the carpet, so we can cook. We've been eating at home today. So I've cooked from the morning. I had porridge. And then at lunch, Essie and I warmed up the pizza, and they ate the leftover biryani from last night. So that was nice. So at least that food was finished. Thank God, because sometimes food just goes to waste. But now I was like, okay, that's why sometimes I don't even like to like cook a lot of food, because sometimes we'll eat food and then, you know, maybe we eat again, and then if there's more, it just goes to waste. But anyway, so that's what they had. And then now I cooked ipapa. I know I cooked ipapa on that Cook With Me live. I cooked ipapa, and now chakalaka. I think now I did chakalaka manyani. And I cook ipapa because I know David loves pap, and he's been working so hard the whole day. So I thought, you know what, let me just make ipapa. And now what I do enjoy. And besides that, guys, we eat pap like once a week, max, not even twice. Once a week. And yesterday, you know, yeah, basically once a week. That's how often we eat papa, maybe max twice. But yeah, I think now that we are having it now, the last time we had it was when we had that live, and that is the honest truth. So I'm so banzamandi bonus papa njalo. But papa, that's my portion. That's the pap. And then this is ivorse this time. And the chakalaka, and then I put like some salad there. I just need to add a salad dressing. So I'm gonna eat now. Yeah, I thought to update you guys on that. But guys, thank you for the love, guys. I don't take you guys for granted. I don't know if my eyes are deceiving me or what, but I saw now, I think I'm on 102 subbies. I could be wrong, but because like what? I feel like I gained like 3 subscribers today already. I don't know, I could be wrong. But I just want to say, in terms of Vlogmas, because if Vlogmas, it's you vlogging the days leading up to Christmas, as far as I know. You are vlogging leading up to Christmas. That is the vlogging. In terms of Vlogmas, I think this is the last episode of Vlogmas. However, I'm going to continue posting weekly. The vlogging is going to continue because I'm just showing you whatever I'm up to those days where I vlog, or when I pick up the camera, whatever I'm doing, or yeah. So the vlogging is still going to continue. And then, but now I also want to go back, because this December period, I was so focused on just vlogging. I put a hold on like sit down videos for a bit, because if you notice in November I was doing some sit down videos here and there, like I do a vlog and then a sit down video as and when. So now I'm gonna go back as well to incorporating my sit down videos. Yeah, because I've had some videos I've been wanting to shoot or wanting to do, or some content I've been wanting to put out as a sit down, but I told myself to pause until I'm done with a Vlogmas. So I think in terms of a Vlogmas, this is the last episode for Vlogmas, right? However, the vlogging will continue, but I doubt I'll be releasing a vlog by Christmas or by the 25th, right? Because that's when the Vlogmas ends. I think the next vlog will probably be released sometime later on next week, like after Christmas, because I'm probably gonna vlog on Christmas, whatever we do, whatever we get up to. Not that we have any plans. I'm thinking I might be vlogging, and maybe the day after, because obviously ansebenzi, those days are like holidays. But yeah, yeah, that's the update. So kwangoku Vlogmas, we are done for Vlogmas, but the vlogging is going to continue, and my sit down videos or story time or whatever it is gonna continue. So yeah, because I just want to keep the consistency, I want to keep the momentum, and yeah, and I'm gonna try as well do more lives. I think I've seen an improvement in my watch hours, so I'll keep that going. And thank you guys for the love and support. I don't take you guys for granted. I'm gonna catch you on the next vloggy vlog or on the next video. Have a wonderful Christmas. Bye guys.